Hello and welcome to our guide on 10 proven ways to earn money online. With the internet being such an integral part of our lives, it has become easier than ever before to make money online. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or want to become a full-time online entrepreneur, there are plenty of opportunities available to you. In this guide, we'll explore 10 proven ways to earn money online that have been tried and tested by countless individuals around the world. From freelancing to affiliate marketing, we'll cover a range of options that can help you make money online. So without further ado, let's dive in and explore these 10 proven ways to earn money online. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to earn money online is through freelancing. If you have a skill or talent, you can offer your services to clients from all over the world. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr make it easy to find clients and get paid for your work. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money online. You can promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on each sale that you generate. Websites like Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and ClickBank are great places to get started. Online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinion. Online survey sites like Swagbucks, Toluna, and SurveyJunkie pay you to complete surveys on a variety of topics. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can offer your tutoring services online. Websites like Chegg, Tutorm, and Wizant make it easy to connect with students who need help. Blogging. Blogging can be a great way to earn money online. You can monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and more. Platforms like WordPress and Blogger make it easy to get started. Selling products online. You can sell products online through platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and eBay. Whether you're selling handmade goods, vintage items, or new products, these platforms make it easy to reach a wide audience. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can offer administrative services to clients from anywhere in the world. You can help with tasks like email management, social media scheduling, and more. Websites like Zirtual and Upwork make it easy to find clients. Online writing. If you have a talent for writing, you can offer your services to clients online. Freelance writing platforms like TextBroker, iWriter, and Writer Access make it easy to find clients and get paid for your work. Online coaching. You can offer coaching services online in a variety of areas like fitness, business, and personal development. Websites like Coach.me and Udemy make it easy to create and sell online courses. Stock photography. If you're a skilled photographer, you can sell your photos online through platforms like Shutterstock and iStock. You can earn money each time someone purchases one of your photos. There you have it, 10 proven ways to earn money online. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash or want to start your own online business, these options offer a range of opportunities to suit your needs. With a little time, effort, and determination, you can start earning money online today.